Hey there, what's up everyone watching this? If you want to see how to get this spooky, weird, special effects, crazy bunny look, then keep on watching. So first we're going to have to use a white body paint or a cream paint. I use the Mehron paints. I get them on Amazon. I think they're about $10 and you just need water to activate them. But you're just going to start off by taking a brush and using your white paint and outlining where you want your smile to be, and that kind of just depends on how big or how small you want it. So after you outline your smile, you're going to start by making teeth. And for a bunny, obviously they have two bigger front teeth in the front, kind of like buck teeth, and then the rest can be kind of up to you. So after you use the white to make where you want your teeth to be, you will need a black paint, and again, mine is just a black Mehron body paint, and I am outlining the teeth and then filling in the spaces between the teeth with black as well. And as far as the teeth go, I'm taking the black and making sure it goes all the way up to the top to really define them and separate them. After you fill in the spaces with black, you're just going to want to take the black and outline the smile to really define it. Then you're going to want to take the same white paint that we used earlier and you're going to use it to cover the rest of your face so it matches. Then using a red or a pink, you're going to make a little bunny nose. Then we're going to use some black eyeshadow to kind of give the looks more detail and definition, and I'm just taking a black eyeshadow and going along where my eyebrows are, just to kind of carve them out and make it look a little creepy since it looks kind of weird with my eyebrows just showing. And I am going all the way down to my nose, kind of almost like a contour in a way, just to really deepen the look. Then I'm just taking that same black eyeshadow and I'm kind of going along where my other black lines are, just to kind of make it look more creepy and defined. If you want, You can really take your time with this, but I kind of just went for more of a like gross, kind of creepy, dirty rabbit. So then to give the teeth more of a creepy feel, I'm just putting yellow and brown, kind of dabbing it on there to make them look dirty and gross. You could probably skip this step, or you could also do like fake blood or a number of kind of things if you wanted. Then it's time to add eyebrows since we covered our natural eyebrows. My camera didn't film this part, so I do apologize, but I just looked up pictures of crazy eyebrows and I kind of just went for these weird squiggly ones. You can really do them however you want. I would go for more of a mad look if it was me, or a scary look, but it just depends on your preference. Then I'm just taking black eyeshadow and I'm just messily putting it all over my eyelid. We're kind of going for a crazy look, so I feel like my eyelids aren't really the primary focus. So I'm just kind of going in with that. And then I'm just taking my black paint that we used earlier and I'm going to be doing a really dramatic winged eye. Then using the same black paint again, I'm just going in and trying to make kind of like little hairs and add some details to it. I would take your time with this because I messed up a few times and it's really hard to go back, obviously, using black and with white. And then I'm just adding some more lines to make it look kind of like anger lines. And there you have it. That's our tutorial for our spooky, weird, psycho bunny. Thank you so much for watching. And please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Bye!